In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create basic shapes in Krita using the rectangle and circle tools. Let's get started by opening Krita. If you see the welcome screen, you can create a new document by choosing a canvas size that suits your project. Any size will do for practice, so don't stress over the settings right now. Once your canvas is open, make sure you can see the main toolbar on the left side of the screen. That's where the shape tools live, and we'll use them to draw clean, precise forms without any freehand drawing. On the left, look for the rectangle tool and the circle tool. Depending on your layout, the circle tool may be labeled as ellipse, and sometimes these tools are grouped together. If you hover over the icons, Krita will show a small tooltip with the tool's name, which helps confirm you've got the right one. Click the rectangle tool to activate it. Now move your cursor to the canvas, click and drag to define the size of your rectangle, then release to place it. If you want a perfect square, hold the Shift key while dragging. If you prefer to draw from the center outward, hold the Control or Alt key as you drag. These little shortcuts make it easy to get exactly the shape you want. Next, switch to the circle tool. Just like before, click the icon, then click and drag on the canvas to create an ellipse. Hold Shift while dragging to lock it into a perfect circle, and use Control or Alt to draw from the center if that's more comfortable. If you don't get the shape right the first time, press undo and try again. Shape creation is quick, and a couple of attempts will dial it in. Once your shapes are placed, take a look at the Tool Options or the Properties panel, usually found along the bottom or right side depending on your workspace. Here you can adjust the stroke color, fill color, and line thickness, giving your rectangle and circle a finished look. If the panel isn't visible, you can open it from the settings later, but for now, the default appearance works fine for a simple demo. And that's it. You've opened Krita, found the rectangle and circle tools on the left toolbar, clicked to select them, and dragged on the canvas to create clean shapes. Practice a few times with the Shift shortcut for perfect squares and circles, and you'll be comfortable in no time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building more complex designs using these basic shapes as your foundation.